If you've ever wanted to sell digital products but got stuck on what to create, how to design it, or whether anyone would even buy it, you're not alone. That's exactly why I designed a digital product business bundle with 14 editable, market-tested, and profitable Google Sheets templates that you can resell as your own. Here's a look at what's inside the bundle. 1. The monthly budget tracker available in blue. 2. The annual budget tracker also in blue. 3. The 12-month weight loss tracker comes in purple, pink, green, and blue. 4. The monthly habit tracker also available in purple, pink, green, and blue. And finally, the annual habit tracker in purple, pink, green, and blue as well. Every tracker includes step-by-step guidance in both video and PDF format for both you and the people you sell to. But that's just one part of the bundle. Here's the rest of what's inside. 1. A marketing guide. This book breaks down each tracker's features and benefits so you can confidently describe, market, and sell them. 2. A sales guide. This book shows you exactly where to sell your trackers, breaking down the 4 best platforms I've personally tested. 3. A packaging guide. This book gives you practical tips on how to bundle, price, and present your templates for maximum profit. 4. An upload and launch checklist guide. This book walks you through the entire upload to launch process. You'll also get a private label rights license to edit and sell these templates as your own, plus access to our private Facebook community, and you'll have direct support from me if you ever need help. This bundle is for anyone looking to create passive income without spending months building it all themselves. Now let's talk money. Selling each tracker for $10, $15 or bundling them for $30, $70 means you only need 3 to 5 sales to break even. From there, every sale is money in your pocket. Because this is a digital product, you only need to upload the files once and you can keep selling it over and over without any added cost. Now here's the thing. To maintain exclusivity and prevent oversaturation, I'll only offer a few at a time. Once a batch is gone, I'll stop selling temporarily so early adopters can launch without immediate competition. If this just popped up for you, you're early to the party. Click the link in my bio, grab your business bundle, and join the next cohort before doors close. Or just comment templates and I'll send the link straight to you.